Guys, welcome back the channel. Subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get new video update.
Welcome to our guide on how to contact Facebook customer service. If you encounter any issues or need assistance with your Facebook account, it's important to know how to reach out to the platform for help. There are many options to connect with Facebook. Each method is covered in this video. Method 1, Facebook Help Center. Go to Facebook's Help Center. Use the search bar to type in your issue. Browse through articles that may solve your problem. Method 4, contacting Facebook support via email. If you are unable to find a solution through the Help Center or community forums, you can try contacting Facebook support directly via email. To do this, send an email to support@facebook.com with a detailed explanation of your issue. Method 4, contacting Facebook customer service phone number. While Facebook does not have a public support phone number, you can try reaching out to their corporate office at +1 650 543 4800.
For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Have nice day.